Learn with Discord Me. Visuals. Discord provides a lot of visual cues to keep you informed in a minimalistic way. The first visual is the online status indicator. You can see this on your friends list and on server member lists. Green means online, of course. Yellow means idle, which indicates the user has Discord open but has not touched it in a while. Red means do not disturb, which will prevent that user from receiving desktop notifications. Gray means offline, although a user can also set this to appear invisible and they will still have access to Discord. When in a server, you may notice one member has a gold crown next to their name. This is the server owner. Some servers won't display their owner, so don't worry if you don't see this symbol. If you get tagged, whether specifically or with an @everyone tag, you will receive a notification. You'll see a red dot on the server you're mentioned in until you look at it. Once you're in the server, you will easily be able to see where you're mentioned because the message will be highlighted in yellow. When you have unread messages in a server but they're not mentions, there will be a small gray dot to the left of the server logo. Once in the server, the channels with unread messages will be highlighted. In this video, we talked all about the major visual cues in Discord. There are other less common ones, but these are the alerts you will see every day in the app. Next, we're going to tell you all about permissions in servers.